for the bail application of Aryan Khan. In this case, there are 3 accused who are in fact in the custody right now, in judicial custody. This includes Munbun Damecha, also Aryan Khan, the son of superstar Shah Rukh Khan, and Arbaz Merchant. Today, Amit Desai is arguing for the bail of Arbaz Merchant, and he said that the accused here have been arrested for an offence that was not even committed. Desai said there is no allegation of use in the initial or in the first memo of the Narcotics Control Bureau. The NCB, remember, the Narcotics Control Bureau is going to be pushing for further judicial custody of all the 3 accused in this case, and they are also going to be presenting the arguments in court in just some time from now. This is day 2 of the hearing in the Aryan Khan matter, in the drugs cruise bust matter, in the cruise drug bust case. And remember, today is important from the point of view of relief for Aryan Khan and the other 2 accused in this case, because after Friday, this matter can't be heard when the court again takes a break for the Diwali vacations. Devesh is getting us more details. He joins us from right outside the Narcotics Control Bureau office in Mumbai right now. Devesh, give us an idea about the Narcotics Control Bureau's argument in court today, and what do you expect? How much of a difference is it going to, how much different really it's going to be from what they have said in the Sessions Court, for example, in the past? What is the NCB expected to say today?
Well, Sneha, as of now, Amit Desai, who is representing Arbaz Merchant, Aryan Khan's friend, who was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and 6 grams of charas was recovered from him. He is arguing in front of the court, and he is right now giving citations to the court. He has done his argument. He is giving citations of various other cases, and he has clearly stated that when you see these principles on conspiracy, what are the specific facts on the case, when they tried to build a case when none existed. So now Amit Desai is stating that the conspiracy charge in this particular case, it did not exist at all. And that was the similar argument that had happened yesterday also, when Mukul Rohatgi, representing Aryan Khan, stated in front of the court that for conspiracy there